Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Pinterest boards private, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide a Pinterest board by making it secret, using the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. You'll find your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap it, and you'll be taken to your main profile page. Next, look for the Boards tab. This is where all your boards are neatly organized. Tap on the Boards tab to see a list of everything you've created so far. Now scroll through your boards and tap on the one you want to hide. This will open up the board and show you all the pins inside. In the top right corner of your chosen board, you'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Tap on these 3 dots to open the Options menu. From the menu that appears, select Edit Board. This will take you to the settings for your board, where you can make changes to its name, description, and privacy. Here's the key step. Look for the option that says Keep this board secret. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. When the switch is on, your board becomes secret, meaning only you and anyone you invite can see it. Once you've toggled on Keep this board secret, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. Your board is now hidden from public view. No one else will be able to find it or see what you've pinned, unless you choose to invite them. Keeping your Pinterest board secret is a great way to organize ideas privately, plan surprises, or just keep things to yourself. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on social media privacy and features. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!